Look at this, very small quantity. This is $11 regular price, but just $5.50 because it's expired today. Today will be the last day. So this is going to be my life. I'm not going home to Newcastle every day, every night, every after work, because it will cost me a lot of petrol. You want some? Yo, good afternoon guys. Oops. Oh, I accidentally pressed again. I always accidentally press that wiper button. I just finished my duty. Today I work from 6 o'clock.
Time lapse mode.
Yeah, I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And when I finish, I get a message from Stanley. So basically, he was asking me to go to his apartment, I mean to his house, to collect the food, sinigang. And this is the one. And when I get there, yeah, it was Sarah Jane who is there, and she gave this to me. This is rice and sinigang. And do you know that last night we had a party in the house of Rick. We eat again delicious food. Yeah, delicious, very delicious. And yeah, yesterday, I mean last night, coming from work, I finished 2 o'clock yesterday, and then I went to Bunnings warehouse, and then at 5 o'clock I went to the house of Rick and Christina. And because I only go home to Newcastle on my days off, yeah, they told me that I can actually stay on their garage. I can park my car and sleep there. Yeah, and use their Wi-Fi. Yeah, they told me that. Even Stanley and Sarah Jane, yeah, they also offer me if I want to stay in their garage, on their driveway, to park the car and sleep there. Yeah, they said it's okay for them. Also use to use the Wi-Fi. The weather has been like this for 4 days now. Yeah, there was never a sun show up in the previous 3-4 days, but rain usually comes at night, so still a lot of people are walking around in the daytime. What is that? Kind of parts of a vehicle, but no, I don't want to touch it. I am just walking around, no direction, no plan, just relax walking. This is already the 3rd day that I am staying in the van. I'm still figuring out where to put my laundry clothes, my dirty clothes. I actually have my uniform in my locker, both the clean and the dirty one, the used one. Still figuring out where to put things in place so that it is organized. And today is actually the last day of me working in the breakfast. Yeah, so I will be working back to dinner again, dinner service. Oh, look at this. There is probably a wedding somewhere there. Yeah, early this afternoon or this morning, or usually afternoon. And the trees that is here before, it's gone. Yeah, if I remember, that was knocked out by strong wind. There's no so much changes. I have not worked here for already a month, and yeah, it's still the same. And usually when I'm walking here, there's no people on those houses, but this time I see people. Maybe I am just on the right time because it's almost 7 o'clock, and so they are having their dinner or a little coffee. You are everything that I've been looking for, and I never gonna love and ask for more. We are now here. Yeah, here there is the view of the Albura Marina. Oh, there's kind of a police over there. Yeah, police light, ambulance light. Big spider, probably sleeping. And we reached the town center. I am actually tempted to buy an ice cream. I can see from here restaurants, they are actually busy, especially this Thai restaurant, Sunan 9. Yeah, I'm tempted to buy an ice cream. It's $9. Oh, they are closed already. Oh, there is another like convenience store here. Maybe they are still open. Also closed already. Oh, the blinking lights, they are still there. Maybe a small accident, hopefully not bad. I just met a beautiful couple. Yeah, I was also following them on Instagram, and they are also watching my videos. And yeah, I saw them before when I was driving my Suzuki Jimny along the road, and they waved their hands. I only see them in pictures on Instagram. Ah, it's a testing. It's like a random testing. So if you're a driver and you get through here, randomly they selected, they will check your alcohol level, your drug level, something. A breath testing, random breath testing it is. Yeah, I was never been in a situation like that. What happened before was just they just asked my license. I don't know until where I am go walking. Beautiful here. Yeah, there I can hear nice music, and just group of friends. They are just relaxing, chatting a little bit. It's beautiful. Nice. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we are going back now to the car. Walking is enough, and I'm actually going to the gym. We're now here in the town center again. Yeah, we're going to buy an ice cream. While walking, we are having that.
Oh, wait. I didn't get it. And then people try to sell them stuff, and then I didn't feel like this
is what I'm going to have. Looks delicious. Nice. Oh, yesterday in the party I actually brought some, yeah, the usual one, ice cream from the grocery. I'm actually going to walk all the way to my car, just along the road, not along the beach. This diesel. That car that drives that noise, we're actually coming from here in the petrol station. 142, just 142. Very nice. In the previous months, maybe year, yeah, it was usually $160, $170. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep last night, and at the moment I'm editing a video. Just finished this coffee. Now it's empty. I had just had the banana bread. That banana bread, it says expired since I bought it, but it was in the fridge, so I think it's okay. Actually the taste was normal, still good. Today is going to be good. As you can see, yeah, the sun is out. I mean, the sun is in. I mean, it is sunny today. Yeah, if you remember, in the previous days it was raining, and at the moment there is this very big truck. Yeah, actually it's not a truck, it's a caravan. Oh, these grapes already have fungus. Yeah, already there's fungus already. I don't like it anymore. Throw it in the bin. Yesterday, coming from the gym, I go straight to McDonald's and I bought a burger. And instead of french fries, I took salad. Comes with the balsamic dressing. I am going to cook a rice. My duty today is still 2 o'clock. At the time now is still 10:30. That's enough. The time now is 12:02. Let's give another 30 minutes. My duty is still at 2 o'clock. This is where I am going to eat. I didn't finish the noodles. Yeah, but I'm not really happy with this one. I actually don't like it now. I will give it for donation in the office shop. It takes time to hot. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, good day guys. Yeah, I'm just here at the park and I'm editing a video. But earlier I was doing my change of address. So I visit all the important website and change the address. It is very windy at the moment. I can hear the noise of the water. Yeah, the good thing is a lot of trees in here. Somehow the winds is not too much reaching this area. I can see that there is a chimney on that side, but that kind of chimney is not compatible with the keyhole cover that I am giving to people. Even on this side, lots of people, lots of cars park. I haven't had any meal yet. Yeah, I just had a cup of coffee and yeah, lemon water. Just it. It is now already 10:38. My duty today is 2 o'clock. When I was editing a video, because I started editing a video from 6 o'clock when I wake up. It's already 12 o'clock. And suddenly, it runs out of battery. My battery, the auxiliary battery, runs out of battery. Yeah, because I am staying in the shaded area, lots of trees in here. So yeah, the solar panel is not getting enough sunlight. I'm going to stand by under the sun in the car park of the shopping mall. I also don't have any food in the van. That's why we're also going to the grocery. I'm getting one of these baby carrots. That's just $1.50. Also getting one of these hummus. Yeah, this is just $2.40. Also one of this bagel. This is just $5.50. I spent $22 today. Yesterday I did not spend any money, which is good. I'm actually tempted every day to just eat in the restaurant, in fast food. but you know, my real goal is to save money. That's the reason why I moved to a new apartment. It cost $22 because I also bought this kind of yeah, glass plasticware, no, glassware for microwaving. Yeah, if I want to microwave something, this one is good. I don't like the plastic one because it leaves stain and smell. Not the best combination, but actually it's okay. Not the best, but it's okay. Yeah, already has a battery. Actually, I don't know how to read battery. I'm actually going to eat it as it is. Wash it first. Very crunchy. My plan is actually to buy snacks, corn chips, but I think the carrots is enough. I'm actually craving for rice, but I have rice in the fridge, but I have nothing to eat with that. I will see you tomorrow, and probably I will be in Newcastle because today, yeah, today is my last day at work. I will be day off tomorrow, so I'm going to my apartment, and I finished my 5-6 days of living in the van. Nice. I'm still figuring out the things like the food, what to eat, where to put, what to do, where to sleep, things like that.